Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Here this is Pinkerton. Today I have a very exciting unboxing to do here, which is the Intel limited edition B580 here. So this comes all the way from China. I got it for around 1.3K Malaysia. So as you can see here, the minimum system requirement is you need at least a 10 Gen Intel iCore or AMD Ryzen 3000 series with motherboard that supports resizable bar. So if you want to use this GPU at its optimum settings, you need to enable resizable bar, especially when gaming. So you need one PCIe compliant motherboard with a 16 PCIe slot, 600 watt or greater power supply, and you need one 8-pin PCIe power connector. Your system should be at least 1 gig, 8 gig of system memory, but 16 gig is recommended. Windows 11 or 1064-bit. So Intel Arc B580 limited edition graphics box, made in Vietnam. Interesting. So really love this design. Play, create, or even generate AI powered performance, dedicated AI engines like the Matrix Extension XMX or XeSS, real-time ray tracing, and powerful content creation. So without further ado, let's unbox it. So first of all, I have to peel this off. This is really exciting. This is my first Intel GPU. And you also have to undo the tab here. So I should be able to pull this out now, I believe. Not yet. Yes! This is awesome. My very first Intel GPU. Really curious how it works. I'll be pairing it with Ryzen 7600. So yeah, and I'm building it. So without further ado, let's unbox it. So this box feels nice with all of the arts here. So yeah, so as you lift the box, the GPU also gets lifted out. So that is pretty awesome. And then let's see what's inside here on the box first. Yeah, I don't know how much you can open. Oh, yeah, maybe there's nothing in there, just for the artwork. And there's something here. What's this? The quick start guide. Anything else? I feel like there's a lot of books here. Is there like a cardboard here? Awesome. Thank you for choosing Intel B series graphic for the next chapter in your hardware odyssey with us. Pretty cool. What are these cutouts? Wow, okay. Why do we have so many envelopes? Wow, okay. What's in here? So, slide? Not quite sure what this is, but I think it's some sort, but I think it's for you to build a cardboard or something. That's pretty cool. This is the sticker itself. Anything else? Nothing. Oh wow, so choose your own Intel Arc GPU assembling instructions. Punch out this whole window along perforations. So I guess you can make a paper graphic card of Intel Arc. That's pretty cool. Let's set that aside first. Cool. Anything else in here? I don't think there's anything more. Yeah, but it does change color when you slide those things out. But yeah, the real show of this is this Intel Arc GPU. So, oh, okay. Oh, it's actually a cloth only. I thought it's wrapped in this cloth, but this cloth is very nice. And remember, this is a 1,300 ringgit GPU, and this packaging is just like, you know, super premium, like maybe 4, 5, 6K GPU. I'm impressed. I'm really happy with this unboxing experience. Let me see, is there anything else there? No, nothing else. And then we can unbox this now. Oh, is there something that helps me lift this up? Cool. And then you have this soft texture like a paper down here as well. That is pretty awesome. Just gonna put this back, I guess. Yeah, this is really premium. So yeah, this is the GPU itself. I mean, yeah, it's a beauty. Plastic rubber with a very rubberized texture. Yeah, this fan are smaller than I thought, but yeah, it's not so much higher than the PCI slot itself. So you can see what else we have here. We have 3 DPI, 3 DP here, 1 HDMI here. Yeah, so this is a 2-slot GPU. Yeah, it's not higher than it also. 16 PCIe pin here, all of it are fins all the way. Really like the fan design. It's like 2 hours. It reminds me of the old Asus Strix GPU, like the 9070 series. And as you can see, we have 1 8-pin PCIe 8-pin power connector. Intel Arc here, I think this is white light. And the backplate is, yep, plastic. That's unfortunate, but yeah, I can live with that because given the texture feels very good. And as you can see, it's flow-through design here, so that's really nice. Even the heatsink is all black. It's painted in black, so yeah, the fan has some arc, which really suits its name. Intel Arc B580 limited edition. And yeah, this is the pin itself, comes protected with it. So yeah, very cool design. My first Intel GPU and also my first ever limited GPU, and I'm excited to build a PC with it. So yeah, thank you for watching. Remember to like and subscribe and share my video if you find this useful, and also do subscribe for my build with this GPU, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.